Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rig. In this video, we are take a look at the Oppo A32, Oppo's new budget segment smartphone. What the main highlight of this device? This device was through by. I know some specifications. Also, this leaking video confirmed more specifications. Let's look the leaking video. It is the box. Front side A32 logo printed inside one length box. Box front side SIM ejecting tool. More box inside mobile phone here. It's covered on plastic cover. And see guys, phone backside it is 3D gradient back. It's very reflective, but it is plastic means it is plastic. Yeah, it is not glass. More box inside free case and USB Type C to USB cable and AC adapter. This adapter support 18 watts fast charging. This device price 11,000 in the. Okay, first look the phone. It is not my unboxing. This video leaked on online, but this video maximum confirmed Oppo A32 specifications. Okay, this phone running on Android 10 based in ColorOS 7 version 7.2. Display. This phone comes with 6.5 inches HD plus resolution LCD display with punch hole notch. Display refresh rate 9 Hz. LCD display 9 Hz. It's not bad. Base model 4GB RAM 128GB storage. Higher model 8GB RAM 128GB storage. Well, see guys, the settings on branding Oppo A32 and some Chinese information. ColorOS 7.2 Android 10 and this device processor Snapdragon 460. It is budget segment. Maybe I expected this phone price only 7,000 but 11,000 rupees. It is overpriced for my opinion. And phone back made in plastic, not a glass. Anyways, very reflective. Fingerprint scanner here on phone back side. It's very rare position. It's not difficult. Phone battery 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. Overall battery wise 5000 mAh battery is okay. Display top left corner side, tiny punch hole here, punch hole inside, 8 megapixel front facing camera, phone back side, triple camera setup, main camera 30 megapixel, secondary 2 megapixel depth and macro lens here. Phone left side SIM card tray port and volume rocker keys here. On phone right side power button only here. It's very clicky. On bottom side Type C port, spare rails and 3.5mm jack. Headphone jack not removed Oppo. Yup, it's not bad. Overall, my personal opinion, specs also good, but price is 11,000 Indian rupees. Snapdragon 460. It's not worth. It's my personal opinion. What about you think guys? Do you like this video? Please like and subscribe my channel. More interesting videos coming soon. I'm trying to make this video. I know my English is not good, but in future I'm fix everything.